Go to the friend conversation. Once you are in the conversation, start a voice call with your friend. Once the voice call connected, here click on Start an Activity. In here, click this search box and type YouTube. And here you'll find the YouTube. Open YouTube in here and click on Launch. In here, click on Authorize. And now you can directly use YouTube from your Discord conversation. So just click this search video and find out a song that you want to play or watch with your friend. Open the song and here you can see the music is now playing, and that's how we can actually listen to any music with friends on Discord.